morning! How are you today? Fine? Good? Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Diana Indah Pangestu, but you can call me Miss Diana. And today I will be your English teacher. And before we start, I have classroom agreement that we need to agree with. First, you need to raise your hand if you want to ask or speak. And the second one, while the other are speaking, you need to listen. And last but not least, if I say class, be quiet, you need to okay? Does everyone understand? Yes. Okay class, I have prepared a video for you. Do you want to watch the video together and sing it? Yes. Okay. Where are you going? Where are you going today? To the shop. To the shop. To the shop. To the park. To the park. Yay! Great! Class, do you enjoy the song? Yes? Yes? Alright. Me too. I really like the song. And what do you think the song tells about? Plans? It's about plans? Yes, excellent. This song tells about future plans. Excellent. So, can anyone guess what we are going to learn today? Future plans. Yes, great, excellent. You're excited to learn about this topic today? Okay. Class, now I've prepared a reading text for you. Can you read it on the slide? Is it clear enough? Okay. Now let me read the text first, then you may read it by yourself. I'll give you the time. Dear Olga, thank you for your last email. I love learning about your city. In this letter, I'm going to tell you about my holiday plans. I'm really excited about my summer plans because I'm going to the New York with my parents. We are leaving on 12th July and we have a great plans. First, I'm going to visit my relative here. Then we're going to visit the Metropolitan Museum in New York City. I don't like museum in general, but this is really special. We are also going to sightseeing and we are going to visit the Statue of Liberty and the Empire State Building. Then we are going to the Great Lakes to do some scuba diving. Finally, we are going to see Niagara Falls. That's an enormous waterfall. Part of it is in USA and part of it is in Canada. It's amazing. And when we come back from New York, I'm going to go to the beach with my family. We usually go to Metalacanes and I have lots of friends there, so it will be a lot of fun. I cannot wait for the summer. What are you planning to do? I hope next year we can keep in touch and have a nice summer vacation. Kind regards, Isabel. So okay, now you may read it by yourself. I give you time. Done, everyone? Okay. Thank you for helping me read the text. Is there any difficult word that you don't know the meaning? No? Okay, let me check. What does sightseeing mean? Anyone who wants to answer my question? No? You don't know? Okay, let me give you a hint. Do you like go to a famous place? No? Yes? Okay. So, what does sightseeing mean? Who wants to answer? I'll try. Okay. Visiting famous place. Excellent. It's actually sightseeing is visiting famous or interesting place. So now I still have one question. What does scuba diving mean? Who wants to answer my question? Scuba diving? Okay, you. Water activity. Great. Water activity. Anyone? Do you have any different opinion? No? Okay. Okay. Have you ever seen people doing this kind of activity? Okay. Yes. Okay. Where do people usually doing this kind of activity? Underwater. Okay, good. Excellent. So what does scuba diving mean? Who wants to answer? You? Okay. The sport activity? Underwater. Okay, good job. Thank you. Thank you everyone for answering my question. You are great. And do you realize that the underlying sentences? What are those? Who wants to try to answer? Okay, you. I'm going to visit my relative. Great, good. Wants to answer? I'll try. You? We are going to visit the Metropolitan. Okay. Next, who wants to try? We are going to visit the Statue of Liberty. Good job. Next one. We are going to see Niagara Falls. Okay. And the last one. Okay. I'm going to go to the beach. Thank you, everyone. Okay. Now, please have a look to this slide to get the further information about what we're going to learn today. So, class, thank you for answering my question once more time. And please have a look to this sentence. Okay, first sentence is what? I'm going to visit my relative. What does the sentence means? Okay. Planning. Yeah, planning is actually she's planning to meet her relative. Okay, good class. She's going to visit her relative. And does the event happen in the past, now, or in the future plans? Who wants to answer? Future. Okay, future. Good. Okay, before we go on, do you have any question? Okay, you. Okay. No? Okay. Oh, you have? Okay. When do we need to use the be going to? Okay. Okay, now please have a look to the second sentence. I cannot wait for the summer. What do you think about this sentence? Planning for the summer break. Okay, good. Okay, it's about planning for the summer break. Okay, now let me give you a hint. Is the event already happened now or is it? Okay, no, it's not already happened. Okay, so great. So the event happened in the future. So still confused? Not. Okay. Is there any question? Okay, you have a question. So we're going to talk about the plans for future Chinese? Yes. Good question. Thank you. Thank you for asking a question. Anyone, please help me to answer this question. Who wants to try? I will give you a point for that. Okay, you go ahead. Okay, yeah, we're going to talk about the future plans. Okay, thank you for answering my question. Okay, now, who wants to ask question? Can we use be going to make a prediction? Great. Who wants to answer his question? You? Okay. I guess it can be. Oh, okay, yes, thank you. Yes, we're going to actually, you can use it to make a prediction. Thank you. Okay, let's move on to another activity. Are you ready? Okay, is there any question or is clear enough? Okay, class, now, is there any question before we going to the next activity? No? Okay, great. In this time, I want you to think about one planning for next week and for next summer holiday. Okay, I give you 3 minutes to think about this, and yeah, start from now. Are you done? Okay. Now, please write down your answer on the board. You may come forward. Okay. And if you are done, you may sit down. Who hasn't got a chance? Anyone? Please come forward. Okay, now come. Okay, time's up, time's up. Thank you, class. Thank you. You are doing a good job. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Now let's move on to another activity. I will give you a paper, okay? I will give you a paper. Thank you. Yeah. Now, okay, please have a look to the PowerPoint. Yes. Here, in the first part, I have a 2 question. Yes. And please answer the question on the paper that I give to you. In the first question, what are you going to do this weekend? And the second question, what are you going to do with? Who are you going to do with? If you have any difficulty, you may ask me. Yeah. Does everyone understand? Okay, now start from now. I give it 2 minutes to answer the question before we go into the second part. Okay then. Okay. Now, please have a look to the second part. In the second part, there are 5 questions that you need to answer. The first, okay, what are you going to do this weekend? Who are you going with? Where are you going? When are you going to? And why are you going to? Does everyone understand? Okay. I give you 5 minutes to do the second part. Okay, done. Please collect your answer to me. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay, now let's have a review. What we have learned today, class? Who wants to answer my question? Planning. Okay, planning. Yeah, it's about the planning. Be going to. Okay, excellent. Today we have learned about be going to or the future planning. So when do we use be going to, class? Who wants to answer my question? Okay, you. Okay, when we're talking about the future plans. Okay, great. When talking about the prediction. Okay, great, excellent. Do you have any question? No? You don't have any question? Really? Okay. Is everything clear, class? Does everyone understand about our material today? Is it clear? No question? Okay, let's move on to this last part. Okay. Still have 2 board. Now, I want you to do it by yourself. Okay, yeah. In this activity, there are 2 parts. In the first part, please write 2 sentences about your plan during the school holiday using be going to. Just 2 sentences. Okay? Just 2 sentences. Yeah. it's up to you. Wherever you want to go to tell where you're going about in the summer holiday. Okay, I give you 3 minutes to do this part. Does everyone understand? Okay, great. Time's up. Okay, now the second part. Make a short paragraph consists of 5 sentences about your plan during the school holiday using be going to. Okay. Does everyone understand? Yes? Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to do this exercise. Okay, time's up. Class, please collect your work. Now, okay? Thank you everyone for joining me in this class. Thank you for everything.